Okay, so I'm going in with the shade Masai on a fluffy brush and just building that up until I get it to the shade that I want it. I'm going in with Tootsie in my inner and outer corner, and then I'll blend that out. Here you can see I'm really just patting and then blending that product. Now I'm just going to go back in and blend and soften those lines. Here I'm going to go back in with that Masai, the first shade, and just blend all that out. Now I'm just going to pat chaga right on the center of the lid. And I'm going to finish this off with Aromo on my under eye. Hey guys, okay, so this is what I ended up doing today. I had no idea what I was going to do, and then I looked at my hoodie and decided that I was just going to do something to match this. I did use Juvia's Place Tribe palette, and again, I'm exhausted, man. So anyways, so yeah, I did work today and then came home, got this filmed. Yeah, my daughter is at her grandma's right now, so I had a little bit of quiet time. My friend Christina's on her way over, so I am so happy I finished this up before she got here. That way she wouldn't have to sit here and listen to me talk. Yeah, that would be embarrassing. I hope you guys like this look, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Who knows when the next one's coming? I'll work on it though. It'll be here soon. Yeah, bye guys.